Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS Cafe. That's the one with the quick release mini fairing, two-tone paint scheme. This one also has the optional rear seat and passenger foot pegs. Only 284 miles on this gorgeous Vulcan S with ABS brakes. Fuel injected, twin cylinder, really easy to handle, mid-weight 650 cruiser. The Vulcan S is priced to sell for just $71.99. Come on by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.